Hello again. Just thought I'd show you how I'm taking these down all by myself without killing myself with these heavy panels. As soon as I find my gloves. Right there. Really quite simple, but also quite loud. So. Fortunately, I haven't hit one of these windows yet, but at the point that I do, I hope it's one that I can replace. One side. Crap. Now, I was using 4 boards to hold this in place, but 2 should work. I guess we'll see. Yeah, I guess 2 does work. So I got glue along each edge, and then a little bit of glue along the rib. Not the sharpest tool in the shed. Okay. Now, with any luck for the camera, this should, yep, pop down. It's going to be a little bit wonky, doesn't it? Stay. So that's pretty much the way it goes. Since I started using the boards, it's been a lot easier. I've been taking my time today. I think I've only been out here about hour and a half, and I'm down to my last panel. So once that's done, I'm going to sweep and then start taping. Okay, well, it's a few days past the previous section of this video, and I apologize, it is raining, so if there's water on the lens, I can't help it. But it's Tuesday, bus has been taped off and masked off and ready to go for this wonderful unit here. Afraid that Jenny's noisy, so you have to bear with the noise, but I am getting insulated. Some free advertisement for the guy here. So there's the number if you want to get some spray foam insulation. Oh good, he closed the door. Makes it a little bit quieter. But, oh, sorry about that. Had to take my glove off. This one, I'm spraying above and below, kind of seal it up because the factory didn't do a very good job. Oh, I didn't know if you did that already. Filled the gaps in the above the windows there. We'll have to do some shaving to get that off, but smooth it out. That's very helpful. Sorry for the shake. Sometimes I don't have very steady. Some of you know that. It's called a pencil trimmer. can foam is coming in green. Oh, that's freaking awesome. That white patch is where my wood stove is going to be going. Apparently I can't have spray foam around the flue, so I'll have to use rock soap in that location. They would spray around the dangling wires, and I end up reusing the factory light in the ceiling. I'm going to kind of need those wires. Back in its use. I'd stand out there, but it's a little bit noisy with this generator going. But he's just finished the spraying portion. He's got to clean up his tools. So it's only been about half an hour or so. It's green. I hate this color. Reminds me of a hospital. Ugh. But holy cow, is it warm in here. Now,
you get the tarp out and I'll help you get it cleaned up.
All right, cool.
Just go real quick for us.
I think there'll be a lot of shaving to be done, looks like.
You'll be surprised.
How much?
There is, though. I mean,
yeah.
There's just no way around it.
Yeah. Oh, no, I hear you. I wasn't complaining.
This is where the tape thing really starts to take its value.
All right. So yes, I spent a few hours on Sunday and probably about an hour today doing some taping. So, and overall, and this is, like I said, where the wood stove goes. And you can see by the tarp that the wind is trying to push its way through here. But it's probably 45 degrees outside, and it's easily 60 degrees in here right now. I have no heat on. He had no heat on. It's just that much warmer. R15 insulation. Dink. Oh wow, that just breaks right off. Huh. Pretty cool. Oh, bringing more tools in.
Okay, so first thing, strip all the tape
Okay,
off the ribs.
we'll be back. Oh, here's an update. This is what it looks like once it's all nice and shaved down, somewhat even. Presently waiting on Chris to come help me because putting these back up alone, impossible. So I need a second pair of hands. But found out why it was so warm in here afterwards. It's because this stuff, the chemical reaction reacts at about 95 degrees. So that's why it was 60 something degrees in here. So right now it's probably it's somewhere in the 50s inside. Still the 40s outside and raining. So yep. And then thickness of it is 2 inches. There's a nice vent here. 2 inches thick. Nice and solid. So yeah. Hopefully Chris and I can get the panels up tonight. At least started. About 6 screws per rib. That'll make a difference as far as making it easier to put all the screws back in. But I kind of need to get the panel up as soon as possible. Panels up as soon as possible because it's starting to delaminate. Apparently it doesn't stick to cold metal all that well. So this is what it looked like before, and the panel sounds really good considering. But oh yeah, that's one of the panels that's connected to this. So I'll move down here to one that isn't connected to foam. From that to that. This is just shop area, which is why I haven't done these 3 ribs. But this is, here, I can pop this hatch. That's the roof with the sound deadener. That's the edge of the roof of the sound deadener. And yeah, big difference. So that's where it is now. And if we can get all the panels up, I may shoot a short video directly after we're done. So